So, I don't know if all you guys get this when you get a fresh haircut, but when I go to the salon to see Jenny for a fresh cut, one of my favorite parts is the washout. She always takes me over to that nice rinsing area and gives me a nice soothing scalp massage with a great smelling shampoo, and it's probably the best part of the haircut for me. Now, why am I telling you this? Well, today I'm going to show you a shampoo that I think brings that awesome salon washing experience right into your home. That's right, today we got another couple shampoos to look at. This is Shampoo Search. What is happening, guys? Mike here, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going over some cool hair care items that I think a lot of you are going to enjoy. Today's video will have quite a bit of info in it and we'll go a little bit beyond shampoos because today's line has quite a bit to talk about. Today's products come straight to us from the Salon Guy, and before we get moving on this, we do kind of have to address the elephant in the room. A long while back, I made a video about white label hair products, and the Salon Guy's brand was discussed in that video. Now, I'm not making any corrections or taking anything back, and I'm not going to rehash all of that, but I do want to say that out of all those brands that were mentioned in that video, Steven was the only one to discuss things with me personally and make changes to his line. Today's products are a part of the custom formulated products that Steven has been putting out lately, and since they were total custom formulations, I was happy to check them out. I have been pretty impressed with what he sent me so far, and I'm excited to give you guys a look at these shampoos. Let's start by taking a look at those. Today, our search brings us to some cleansers from the Salon Guy. This is quite a large line, and to narrow it down a little, we're focusing on the Clean and Condition, the vegan cleansers that are designed to provide you with a salon experience at home. Looking at the ingredients on these, we can see that they have a lot of things at work within them to provide you with serious health benefits. The shampoo and conditioner both contain specific key ingredients that are designed to protect the life of your color and to get all the way down to the hair follicle and increase its diameter to reduce hair loss. In essence, there's just a ton of health packed into these cleansers. Now, Steven also sent me these two cleansers here, the Fortify set, and one of the first things I noticed was they contain sodium lauryl sulfate. And of course, my first thought was, great, these are already in my house, my hair's probably gonna fall out, it's gonna sweep through here like the plague. As we've discussed in the past, we have nothing to fear here. This ingredient is nothing to be afraid of. The sulfate is what actually just cleans the hair. And when you get bad reactions from sulfates, it's usually just because, one, they're using the harsher of the two main sulfates, and two, they are surrounding it with cheap chemicals. This shampoo contains a sulfate, yes, but it's still an awesome shampoo because it contains ingredients around it like botanical extracts, and it's really just another example of unnecessary fear. Again, I realize though that even with those facts, there will be folks who still prefer shampoos without it, and we do have some here to look at, so let's take a look at how those perform in the hair. As usual, we're starting with product buildup from the previous days. After wetting my hair, I'm gonna add in the shampoo, and man, does this stuff smell good. It reminds me so much of that nice fresh shampoo that I get at the salon, and I can really feel it breaking up the product and getting to work on my hair. After the rinse, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the conditioner in because that's normally how I do it. And what I really like about this stuff is how I can feel it instantly nourishing the scalp and hair follicle. Everything instantly just goes silky smooth, and that really shows through in the final result that I get after drying the hair. A lot of the times I find that when a shampoo makes your hair a little too soft, it can also sometimes weigh it down, but that's not the case with this shampoo, which is really nice. It totally sets you up for styling. And speaking of styling, I did also get the chance to check out a few other products from the line, including a couple styling products. The first being the 25 spray. As if my hair wasn't soft enough, we're about to redefine the word here. The 25 spray is adequately named for the 25 features this spray brings to the table. It has a ton of features, as you can see here, both for nourishing the hair and assisting with the health. This stuff is super easy to use too. I just throw it in after washing in damp hair and then blow dry. That's it. After that, I like to sit back and admire how soft my hair got. It is totally set up for styling. Now for styling, we're going to check out the last item Steven sent me to try out here, which is the Shadow Grit Pomade. This is basically like a hair cream in a tube, and it actually works pretty well. Now, I'm not really using this much, that's more for dramatic effect, but this product does work pretty well. I only use about a little bit, and it has a nice medium hold and medium shine, and it also doesn't harden up in the hair. Styling wise, it's super slick, so creating a nice hairstyle takes very little effort. Now it does say grit pomade on there, and actually I didn't really feel too much grit when I used it, but that doesn't mean it's a bad product. I actually got a really nice slick style with some good volume set up from the 25 spray and the shampoo, and it created a style that I thought was really nice. It's really not a bad system we got here. The shampoo gives great structure and body, then the 25 spray gives it a nice boost, and then the styling product ties it all together for an awesome style. Of course, with this system, you could use whatever styling products you want. And speaking of other products, I'll be reviewing the clutch clay that you guys have requested in previous videos from the Salon Guy's line very soon. He actually just sent it to me, so I'll be diving into that for you guys very soon. If you want to check out these products from the Salon Guy, we'll put links in the description for you guys to look them up for yourself. The Fortify shampoo and conditioner sell for $18.99 and $20 for 8-ounce bottles, and the Clean and Condition shampoo and conditioner sell for $22.50 each in 8-ounce bottles as well. This video was not sponsored in any way, but I do want to thank Steven for sending out the products for me to check out. Now, if you guys haven't yet seen, my latest product collaboration was finally announced. The Nevermore matte paste made with the Lockharts is set to drop this Friday. So if you want details on that, I will put a link to the video at the end of this video for you to check out. I will also be uploading a demo video for you guys for that product very soon for those wanting to see it up close. I am actually wearing it today, and I'm excited for you guys to finally get your hands on this product. But that is it for today. I want to thank you so much for stopping by the channel and checking out this video. If you haven't yet, make sure you help me out and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you also drop me a like and a comment down below. I'll be back to you guys again very soon. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.